use P equals 2 times L plus W to give the perimeter, okay, of the rectangle. Okay, in these situations, you would be given the length and the width of the rectangle. So let's do that. Let's say, for example, this is 10 meters, and this, let's say, is 3 meters. Now, with that information, plus the formula, we should be able to get to the perimeter very, very quickly by using the formula. So, P equals 2 times L plus W. So, L, of course, that means, right, that means length plus the width. Okay, that's the L plus W part. Okay, so if we just follow the formula, we should be able to get to the end. Just plug in what we know. We don't know the perimeter yet. This 2 is a constant. We leave that there. The length. The length is 10 centimeters plus the width, which is 3 meters. I think I said centimeters. 10 meters plus 3 meters. The third line of working, let's go through it. Let's go step by step. 2 times whatever 10 plus 3 is, which is 13. And so I now know that 2 times 13 is going to give me the final answer. What is 2 times 13? That's, what is it, 26. And units of measurement is meters. And that is the correct answer.